Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at a Sparkline chart. A Sparkline is a tiny, simplified chart embedded directly within a single worksheet cell. Now that single worksheet cell is this particular cell, used to give a quick visual summary of data trends or patterns. Okay, so now the first thing we need to do is to locate our spark line. And before locating our spark line, we have a table that contains products, right, which are Apple, MacBook, and phone. 3 products, right? And then we also have the month January to November. Okay, now we need to first locate our Sparkline chart. To locate it, you will see it under the Insert tab ribbon. You just click and then you locate your Sparklines group. Sparklines group, this particular line. Then you click. So the first thing we need to do is to locate your data range. So you click this particular arrow to locate your data range, which will be this. You hit your enter and then you click your arrow for the location range, that is where you want your chart to appear. So you click the arrow and then you click this particular worksheet cell, then you hit your enter. Now you just press OK. You're good to go. Now you have your chart now. So we now have trend for Apple products. Now what about for MacBook and phone? You just copy down and you can also expand. Here you can now see for MacBook, you can also see for the phone. So this is what Sparkline does: a quick visual summary of data trends or patterns. Hope you've learned something today. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.